Okay guys, so I want to show you my AI to you people. So here it is. 1 minute.
Good evening, sir. Shadow is at your service.
Shadow, who are you?
I am an AI-powered personal assistant designed to assist and support Suncat, a programmer, in various tasks such as scheduling, organizing, and managing his work-related activities. I can also provide information, answer questions, and perform various other tasks as required by Suncat.
Shadow, shut down. Shadow, shut down.
Understand what you mean by sure don't. Could you please clarify your request or question?
Shadow, shut down. Shadow, shut down.
Thank you for your time, sir. Shutting down.